Hello and welcome back to Workouts with Allira. Today I'm joined with
Sophie,
Molly.
and Tara, and we're part of the Frankston High School Eco Team.
We're here at the Botanical Gardens to do some exercises.
It's good to work out in nature instead of at gyms. It also uses less energy and no electrical equipment, which is much better for the environment.
Today our main focus is rope.
Before you get started, make sure you do a 5-minute warm-up. This is so you won't tear any muscles and hurt yourself.